Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to open shop in Valorant. Well, first of all guys, I will need you to know that shop has multiple functions in Valorant. So there is actually two shops or two stores in Valorant. The first one, it is the one that's in the landing page where we can buy skins, bundles, etc. So how you can go to this one? Basically, you just have to open your account, go and launch the game, and just like so, you will go to the last option in here, which is the store. So here you'll find like the collection, which is the act collection. It changes like every week or 2 weeks, and it has like some multiple guns, for example, like skins. For example, you'll have like four skins with uh four things for free. That's normally you must buy them in order to get them, but using the bundle you can get it for free. So it is like a discount or a pack that you can buy it. And here you'll find multiple skins that varies between an account and another. So for example, if you have this skin, your friend will not have the same skins. It really varies the account for another, and these scans actually refresh every day. So the second store, which is the store where you actually have to buy guns from. Well, how you can actually open it? You just have to go to your game, open the game, and launch it. After you start any game, the store will normally appear for you. But sometimes you will be rushing, you will just close it by accident, and here you go, you are stuck with tons of money in your pockets, but you don't know how to buy anything. Well, first of all, guys, I will highly suggest that you know which key is for opening the shop. So I will just go into the execution, open settings, and then control. Here, guys, we will search for the shop. So if you didn't find it here, you just have to keep looking. So let's search here. There's nothing in here as well. Here, nothing. And here you might find it in this space, which is gonna be store. Let's see it. Here we go. It is for me, it is B, so just search for letter B, and yeah, here we go. So open armory. So in interface, and the fourth option, which is open armory. So basically when you click in B, you will find the shop. So here it is. Here you can buy guns, sidearms, SMGs, rifles, snipers, and machine guns, and shotguns, and even armor. So each gun has its own properties. For example, rifles are for the short distance, for the long distance, I mean. This one are for the short distance, this one is for the short distance as well. This one is a sniper, so it one shots people. And these two are basically just shields. And here, guys, you will find your abilities. So each character has actually abilities in Valorant. For example, for Jet, it can dash, it can jump, you can throw circles like smokes, so you can like smoke people. You can buy literally every ability in the shop, but some champions you can't really buy all of their abilities. For example, for Jet, you can't really buy its ultimate. So for example, ultimate orbs, you can only get them by the orbs that you find them in the ground or killing people, or even winning games. So yeah, guys, that's how you can open both shops, the interface shop and the armory shop. I hope you learned something from this video, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.